Third problem, which of the following are GP? If they are in GP, write next three terms. So they have given some bits. We have to check whether the given information is in GP or not. If it is in GP, we have to find the next three terms. So let us start with the first bit. So in solution, we will write given terms are, what are the terms? 4, 8, 16 up to so on. So the first term is A1, A2, A3. Here we can find out the ratio R. R is equals to A2 by A1. So what is A2? 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So A2 by A1 is 2. Next we will find out A3 by A2. So A3 is 16 and A2 is 8. 8 ones are 8 twos are. So A3 by A2 is, since the two values A2 by A1 and A3 by A2 both are equal, since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2, that is 2. So we can say that the given information is in GP. Hence, it is in GP. For finding the next terms, let us write next term will be A4. Why? Because it is third term. A4 means AR to the power of 3. So what is A? A is 4 and R is 2. 2 to the power of 3 is equals to 4 into 2 cube is 8. 4 8s are 32. Next is fifth term, AR to the power of 4. So what is A? A is 4 and R is 2. 2 to the power of 4. 4 into 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 4 16s are 64. A is 6. AR to the power of 5 is equals to, what is A? A is 4. Next, R is 2. 2 to the power of 5. So 4, 2 to the power of 5 is 32. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. So 128. So the next three terms are 32, 64 and 128. Second bit, 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 6 comma 1 by 12 up to so on. So let us write given terms are 1 by 3 comma minus 1 by 6 comma 1 by 12 up to so on. So in this is the first term, second term and third term. Now we can find out ratio, common ratio. R is equals to A2 by A1. So A2 is minus 1 by 6 by 1 by 3. So 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 by 2. Next we will find out A3 by A2. So A3 is 1 by 12 by minus 1 by 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are. So minus 1 by 2. As we can see that A2 by A1 gives us minus 1 by 2 and A3 by A2 is also giving minus 1 by 2. That's why we can say that R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Since these two values are equal, therefore we can say, since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2 is equals to minus 1 by 2, that's why therefore 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6 1 by 12 to so on is a GP, is a geometric progression. So where first term is 1 by 3 and common ratio R is minus 1 by 2. Let us find out the next 3 terms. So we are having up to 3 terms here. Let us write fourth term. So A4 is equals to AR to the power of 3. So what is A? A is 1 by 3 into R. R is minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 whole cube. So 1 by 3 minus cube is minus. And 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 8. Plus into minus, minus 1 ones are 1 by 3 eights are 24. Next we will find out fifth term. A5, AR to the power of 4. So A is 1 by 3 into minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4. Minus to the power of 4 is, if the minus is there and the power is even, then we will write it positive. So 1 by 3 into 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. So 1 ones are 1. 3 16s are 48. Next is sixth term. AR to the power of 5. So what is A? A is 1 by 3. R minus 1 by 2 whole to the power of 5. So 1 by 3 minus to the power of odd. We are having an odd number to the power of negative, then we will get minus, and 1 to the power of 5 is 1. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. So plus into minus is minus. 1 1s are 1 by 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So the three terms are minus 1 by 24, fifth term is 1 by 48, and the last term is minus 1 by 96. Third bit, 555 and 555 and up to so on. So let us write in here solution. Given terms are 5, 55, 5, 5, 5 up to so on. So this is the first term, second term and third term. Let us find out the common ratio R is equals to A2 by A1. So A2 is 55 by 5. 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. That is 11 by 1 is 11. Next, A3 by A2. A3 is 555 by 55. So 5 11s are 5 ones are 5 ones are 5 ones are. So what is left? 111 by 11. So we cannot cancel this further. That's why we have to stop it here. And if we look these both are not equal. Therefore we can say, since A2 by A1 is not equals to A3 by A2, therefore 555, 555 up to so on is not a GP. If it is not a GP, we don't need to find the next three terms. Fourth bit, minus 2, minus 6, minus 18 up to so on. So this is the given series. So let us write given series is minus 2, minus 6, minus 18 up to so on. What is the first term? Minus 2, second term minus 6, third term is minus 18. So let us write common ratio R is equals to A2 by A1. So A2 is minus 6 by minus 2. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 3s are. So this is 3. A2 by A1 is 3. Next, A3 by A2 is equals to minus 18 by minus 6. Minus minus cancel, 6 ones are 6 3s are. So here we can see A2 by A1 and A3 by A2 both are giving the same value. That's why we can say, since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2 is equals to 3. Therefore, minus 2, minus 6, minus 18 up to so on is a GP. It is a geometric progression. Next, where the first term A is minus 2 and common ratio R is equals to, that is 3. Let us find out the next three terms. So A4, AR to the power of 3. So what is A? A is minus 2 and R is 3 whole cube. Minus 2, cube of 3 is 27. So minus into plus is minus 2 27s are 54. Next, fifth term, AR to the power of 4. So what is A? Minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 is equals to minus 2 into 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Minus into plus is minus 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So minus 162. Next is sixth term, AR to the power of 5. So what is A? A is minus 2 into R is 3. So 3 to the power of 5 minus 2 into 3 to the power of 5 is 243. So 2 3s are, first minus into plus, minus 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. So the next three terms are minus 54, minus 162, minus 486. Fifth bit, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 to so on. So let us write given series is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 up to so on. This is the first term, second term, third term. Let us find out the common ratio R, A2 by A1. So A2 is 1 by 4 and A1 is 1 by 2. If we bring this in the numerator, it will become 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So we can write 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are. So A2 by A1 is 1 by 2. Let us do A3 by A2. So A3 is 1 by 6 and A2 is 1 by 4. Let us bring this in numerator. So 1 by 6 into 4 by 1. 2 2s are 2 3s are. 2 1s are 2 by 3 1s are 3. As we can observe, A2 by A1 is 1 by 2 and A3 by A2 is 2 by 3. Therefore, we can say this is not in GP. Since A2 by A1 is not equals to A3 by A1, therefore 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6 up to so on is not a GP. Sixth bit, 3 minus 3 square, 3 to the power of 3 up to so on. Let us write given series is 3 minus 3 square, 3 cube up to so on. So here the first term is 3, second term is minus 3 square and third term is 3 cube. Next, we will find out the common ratio R is equals to A2 by A1. So A2 is minus 3 square by 3. That can be written as minus 3 into 3 by 3. So 3 cancel. The answer is minus 3. Next, A3 by A2. A3 is 3 cube. 3 cube by minus 3 square. So here we can write 3 cube means 3 into 3 into 3 by minus 3 into 3. 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are 3 ones are. So we have got minus 3. So as we can see, A2 by A1 is giving the same answer as A3 by A2. That's why we can say this is in GP. Since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2, that is minus 3. Therefore, 3 minus 3 square, 3 cube up to so on is a GP. It is in geometric progression. Let us find out next 3 terms. So A4 is equals to AR cube. So what is A? A is the first term, that is 3, and R is minus 3. So minus 3 whole cube. So 3 into minus to the power of odd is minus. And 3 cube is 27. So 3 plus into minus, minus 3 27s are 81. Next, fifth term, AR to the power of 4. So what is A? A is 3. And R is minus 3. Minus 3 whole to the power of 4. So 3 minus to the power of even. If the power is even, we can write positive. And 3 to the power of 4 is 81. 3 ones are 3. 3 eights are 24. Next, A6. Sixth term. AR to the power of 5. So A is 3 and R is minus 3 whole to the power of 5. 3 into minus to the power of odd. If the power is odd, we will write minus 3 to the power of 5 is 243. So 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. So plus into minus, minus 729. So these are the 3 terms, minus 81, 243 and minus 729. Seventh bit, x comma 1 comma 1 by x up to so on, where x is not equals to 0. So let us write given series. So given series is x comma 1 by x up to so on. So here the first term is x, second term, third term. So let us write common ratio R is equals to A2 by A1. So A2 is 1 by x. Next we will find out A3 by A2. So A3 is 1 by x by A2 is 1. So 1 by x by 1 is 1 by x. Next, as we can observe, A2 by A1 is equals to 1 by x and A3 by A2 is also 1 by x. Therefore, we can say since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2, that is 1 by x. Therefore, x comma 1 by x up to so on is a GP. We will find out the next 3 terms. A4 is equals to AR to the power of 3. So what is the first term? First term is x. X into R. R is 1 by x. So 1 by x whole to the power of 3. So x, 1 cube is 1 and x cube is x cube. If we cancel 1x, we will get square. So 1 by x square. Next, fifth term, a r to the power of 4. So the first term is x into r. R is 1 by x. So 1 by x whole to the power of 4. X into 1 to the power of 4 is 1 and x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 4. If we cancel 1x, we will get x cube. So 1 by x cube. Next, a to a 6, sixth term, ar to the power of 5. So a is x and r is 1 by x to the power of 5. X 1 to the power of 5 is 1 and x to the power of 5 is x to the power of 5. So 1x will be cancelled. So 1 by x to the power of 4. So these are the next three terms. 8th bit, 1 by root 2 comma minus 2 comma 4 root 2 up to so on. So let us write in solution, given series is 1 by root 2 minus 2 4 root 2 up to so on. So here the first term is 1 by root 2, second term is minus 2, third term is 4 root 2. Let us find out r is equals to a2 by a1 is equals to minus 2 by 1 by root 2. So if we bring this in the numerator, it will become minus 2 into root 2. Next, a3 by a2. So a3 is 4 root 2 by a2 is minus 2. So 2 ones are 2 twos are. So minus 2 root 2. So as they are giving the same value, that's why we can say, since r is equals to a2 by a1 is equals to a3 by a2 is equals to minus 2 root 2, therefore 1 by root 2 minus 2 4 root 2 to so on forms a GP, geometric progression. So where the first term is a is equals to 1 by root 2 and common ratio is minus 2 root 2. Next we will find out fourth term, a4 is equals to ar to the power of 3. So what is a? A is 1 by root 2, r is minus 2 root 2, minus 2 root 2 whole to the power of 3. So 1 by root 2. Cubic power of minus is minus. And 2 to the power of 3 is 8. For root 2 whole cube, we can multiply it 3 times. Like root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 cancel. Plus into minus is minus 8. Here we are going to remember one point. If we are multiplying root 2 into root 2, that is root 2 whole square, square root cancel, that gives us only 2. So for root 2 into root 2, we will get 2. So 8 2s are 16. Next is fifth term. So ar to the power of 4. A is 1 by root 2. R is minus 2 root 2 whole to the power of 4. So 1 by root 2 minus to the power of any even power to the minus, it will be positive. And 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Root to the power of 4 means we are going to multiply it 4 times, like 4 root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. Here we can cancel this 1 root 2. We will get 16 ones are 16. Root 2 into root 2, that will be 2 and root 2. 16 2s up, 32 root 2. Sixth term, r to the power of 5. What is a? A is 1 by root 2. R to the power of 5. R is minus 2 root 2 whole to the power of 5. So 1 by root 2 into minus to the power of 5 is minus, as it is odd, that's why we will write minus. 2 to the power of 5 is 32. Root 2 to the power of 5 means we are going to multiply it 5 times, like root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2 into root 2. So root 2 and 1 root 2 will get cancelled. Plus into minus, minus 1, 32 is up, 32. Root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. Root 2 into root 2, that will be 2. 32, 32 2s up, 64, 64 2s up, 128. So this is the 3 terms. Ninth bit, 0.4, 0.04, 0.004. So let us write given series is 0.4, 0.04, 0.004 up to so on. So this is the first term, second term, third term. Let us find out the common ratio A2 by A1. That is 0.04 by 0.4. 0.04 can be written as 4 by 100. Why? Why? Because the decimal is after 2 digits from behind. And here the decimal is after 1 digit. That's why we will write 4 by 10. Let us bring this in numerator. So it will become 4 by 100 into 10 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 ones are 0 0 cancel. That will be 1 by 10. Next is A3 by A2. A3 is 0.004 by 0.04. Here the decimal is after 3 digits. That's why we will write 4 by 1000 and the decimal is after 2 digits. That's why 4 by 100. Let us bring this in numerator. So 4 by 1000 into 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones are 2 zeros and these 2 zeros will get cancelled. That's why we can write 1 by 10. As both are giving the same answer, that's why since R is equals to A2 by A1 is equals to A3 by A2, it is 1 by 10. Therefore, 0.4, 0.04, 0.004 forms a GP. Next, we will find out the fourth term. So, A4 is equals to AR to the power of 3. So, what is A? A is 0.4 and R is 1 by 10. So, 1 by 10 whole cube. 0.4, 1 cube is 1 and 10 cube is 1000. 0.4 ones are 0.4 by 1000. As there are 3 zeros in the denominator, we are going to place this decimal after 3 zeros. 4000.0. So this is the fourth term. Next we will find out fifth term. So AR to the power of 4. What is A? 0.4 into R. R is 1 by 10 whole to the power of 4. 0.4 into 1 to the power of 4 is 1 and 10 to the power of 4 is 10,000. 0.4 ones up, 0.4. 10,000. Now we are going to place this decimal after 4 zeros as there are 4 zeros in the denominator. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Point. So this is the fifth term. Sixth term, r to the power of 5. So what is A? A is 0.4 and r is 1 by 10 whole to the power of 5. So 0.4 into 1 to the power of 5 is 1 and 10 to the power of 5 means we have to write 5 zeros. Next, 0.4 ones up, 0.4 by. Next, as there are 5 zeros in the denominator, we will place this decimal after 5 zeros. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.